How to download games, game updates, and console updates while your Xbox is turned off. 99%. You want to go to settings. Mine is pinned, but if yours isn't, just hit the home button on your controller. Move over to settings. Under general, we want to go to power mode and startup. Move over to power mode and set it to instant on. Energy saving is just that. It's energy saving. So your Xbox One console is 100% turned off. Whereas instant on, it's turned off, but it's just allowing enough power to go through to keep you connected to the internet to do the things we want it to do. Make sure that you leave this empty. So if somehow it's checked, uncheck it, because you don't want to turn off your storage for obvious reasons. Now move back with the B button. Now we want to drop down to System and go to Updates and Downloads. This used to actually be where we just were, but over time, like I said, the UI on the Xbox has changed and they've moved it. You want to make sure that these two things are turned on. Well, this one for your games and your apps to download in the background while your Xbox One's turned off, and this is just for the console. So for whatever reason you don't want console updates to download, well then uncheck it. And that's pretty much it. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. And I'll make sure the next time you go and you turn on your beloved Xbox One or your Xbox One X, it's the original Xbox. Exactly. If you want to subscribe to the channel, naturally that would be great. But if not, thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, boys and girls, or whatever it is you identify as, and as always, take care. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.